Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I want to introduce myself. My name is Alif Maulana. I want to again explain about the role of syntax language acquisition across linguistic perspective. Maybe I can explain this material so initially, but I will summarize in a few parts. So the first one about the introduce about the syntax. First one is definition and syntax. So syntax serves as a foundational element in the architecture of language, dictate how words and phrases are organized to form coherent sentences. Far from being merely perspective, syntax offers dynamic rules that facilitate various communicative purposes such as the expression of meaning, focus, and intention. Operating on multiple structural layers, syntax governs both the macro level aspects, such as the organization with a single sentence, and macro level consideration like the arrangement of sentences in a discourse. As an essential pillar of linguistic competence, syntax permits speakers to generate limitless sentences from a confined set of lexical elements. And interacting with the disciplines like linguistics, cognitive science, and psychology, syntax is a profound role in the process of language acquisition, affecting how linguistic information is parsed, understood, and produces. Second one is the imperative in syntax in language acquisition. Syntax is a critical aspect of language learning, shaping the way we compare and use linguistic forms. The question of syntactic structure is vital for the development of coherence and fluent speech. So the rules of syntax serve a safehold, aiding in the understanding of language structure and the relationship between different elements within the sentence. So additionally, a strong sentence concept in cognitive development, skills such as problem solving, logical reasoning, and abstract thinking. So syntax is instrumental in the learning and teaching process, serving as a yardstick for language proficiency assessment and curriculum development. The next one is the scope of this material. So they're focusing on first linguistic perspective. So this material aims to extend beyond the confines of any single language, exploring the role of syntax in language acquisition from a cross-linguistic perspective. The approach allows for the inclusion of various languages with different syntactic systems, providing a comprehensive understanding of how syntax is created. Moreover, it offers an opportunity to examine the impact of linguistic diversity on syntax acquisition, including processual facilities or barriers. And last one is the significant understanding subject for educators, linguistics, and policymakers. So understanding the role of syntax in language acquisition has far-reaching implications for multiple stakeholders. For extra insights into syntactic development can inform more effective teaching methodologies and resource allocation. So for linguists, this subject offers a integrated look in the interplay to form and function acting language. The policymakers can also benefit as a nuanced understanding of syntax acquisition can guide the education of language education policies, including curriculum design and standardized testing. And the number two is next is theoretical background. The first one is generative grammar and universal grammar. So one of the most influential frameworks for understanding syntax in Noam Chomsky theory of generative grammar. So especially the concept of universal grammar. According to Chomsky, humans are born with inherent ability and acquire language, thanks to set universal principle that govern a sector of human language. This theory suggests the children exposure to their native language activates these latest principles, uh, enabling them to generate an infinite number of sentences for their limited set of rules. So universal grammar offers a framework for understanding not only how syntactic structure are acquired, but also why certain syntactic phenomena are common across disparate languages. Next is construction grammar. An alternative genre approach to construction grammar, which emphasizes the role of individual construction, fixed pairings to form and function. In a question of syntax, unlike universal grammar, which possesses inherent syntactic rules, construction grammar suggests the syntactic knowledge learned from the linguistic input. Use this sentence focus on the analysis of particular syntactic patterns and their associated meanings, offering insight that how syntax acquire the processes. Next is behaviorist approach. In stark contrast to general economics theories, behavioral approaches posit that language learning, including the language of syntax, in the result of conditioning and reinforcement. According to this perspective, children acquire syntactic structures by mimicking the language they are exposed to, reinforcing positive feedback from their environment. This model heavily emphasizes the role of external factors such as social interaction and exposure in the syntactic forms in shaping language acquisition. And meeting this last one is conditioning models. Conditioning models take a compassionate approach to understanding syntax and language acquisition, postulating that the language learning as a result of the gradual string and association between words and syntactic structures. These models employ neural networks to simulate the process of language learning, mirroring the way neurons in the human brain form from connection. Unlike generative theories that suggest innate syntactic structures, connectionist model emphasizes the role of experience and exposure, arguing the frequent and consistent patterns in the linguistic input lead to more robust neutral connection. Okay, I think that's all of my material. I think that's my explain for material for today. Thanks for your attention. Say thank you so much for watching this my video. Thank you for attention. Say thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.